Show me that you feel the same as I do. If you turn and run away, that's fine too. 'Cause I cherish every minute spent with you.
Cooking? Wow! Look at that! He is cooking egg for our breakfast. Say hi! Yes, and sa longganisa. Al, did you cook? Ready? Ganda dito. Very relaxing. Daming campers kasi Labor Day. Yung mga iba parating mamaya. Yan. Ganda sa paligid. Napakaganda. Ito ang aming munting tahanan, munting tent. Busy ang Chad na mag-setup. Tinutuloy yung setup namin mula kagabi. Silipin natin yung niluluto dito na longganisa. Longganisa! Ayan, sarap-sarap. Breakfast namin. Yung mga bata naglalaro na ng soccer. Yun sila. Saan ba sila? Brian, you can put up your net there in the field, soccer field. Yay! Yay! Go! Ito natin yung longganisa. Ayan, sunog na yata. Sarap. Nalito ako ng longganisa for our breakfast. Ayan, nakaluto na sila. Iyan ang egg at saka si Brian. Yeah! Yeah! Goal! Ayan si Chad, set up na yung net nila. Nag-enjoy yung mga bata. Ito na lang outdoor. Yeah, yeah, go, 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 go. Messi, Messi. Ang luwag ng paligid. Makakapaglaro sila ng soccer dito. Yan. Yun lang yung CR. Yun lang yung CR namin. Ang lapit. Napakalinis. Saturday, nice weather. Baon, nandiyan ang lahat ng mga anik-anik na gagamitin namin for the weekend. Ready na pang namin mamaya s'mores. Ewan ko ba mag-s'mores ba itong mga bata o hindi. Aming fire pit. Dito magtatambay habang umiinom. Yan. Ito naman ang nagluluto ng sinangag. Siya naman ang sunod. Ako yung gulangganisa kanina, yung mga bata. Diba? Saya-saya. Relax pa siyang nagluluto. Oh. Nakaupo. May nagluluto bang nakaupo? Ha? Ang galing oh. Nagluluto, nakaupo. Wash your hands, Bryle. Ganda kasi sa tabi ng tent namin may sariling hugasan na. Oh. Hindi na kailangan lumayo. Dalang panghugas. Tapos ito pa may parang small ano dito. Faucet. Diba? Simple breakfast.
What do you want?
Sarap ng breakfast. So, fried rice. Fried rice ala longganisa.
Yeah. You want longganisa bread?
Happy breakfast. Happy breakfast, Iya. Yay, breakfast time. Iya. Kain na po tayo. Aming breakfast. Yan. Merienda time. Chicharon baboy. Cream puff. Yeah. What are you eating? Goldfish. Merienda. Iya. Merienda time. Relaxing. Ready na for barbecue. Barbecue and then barbecue. Pork barbecue. Hmm?
Barbecue.
Oh, cheers! 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 Habang sa tanghaling tapat. Mainom. Patron. Tinangat na pampano. Lunch. Pang lunch namin. Yummy. Yeah.
Oh, I think Lamine.
Ulamin mo yan.
Because I see you there. He's dancing.
Sarap.
And you dance when he says, oh my god. Bro, I hope this goes on, bro.
Lunch for today. Tinangat na pampano. Tsaka barbecue. Sausaw sa pinakurat. Eating time, Bryle. Washing the dishes. Good job. See? You know how to wash dishes now. Plates. Right? Galing-galing. Diba kain ng kain, no?
Kain ng kain, tsaka roll ng roll.
Roll, roll. Nag-Jezebel ka na naman. Yung shock. Yung Shoko eh. Umahon yung Shoko eh. Ready for s'mores, see ya. Ready for s'mores. Relax, relax. Busy na uli yung ano namin, oh. Yung cook namin, busy na. Dada! Ano, luto mo na naman dyan? Luto ka ng luto. Ha? Fishball? Sauce? Soccer Brian? Still? Nalaro si Brian ng soccer. Kahit yun. Okay, I'll show you guys our tent at night time. Very cozy. Sarap tumira, very relaxing. Parang ayoko nang umuwi. May ganda dito sa kain tulog lang. Kain, tulog. Pahinga. Yan ang ginawa po namin the whole day ng Saturday. Puro lang kain, tapos pasyal kami sa beach. Yan lang, relax, banding. Nagbabanding kaming family. Ngayon naman eh, kakain na kami. Malapit na kaming kumain.
Hello, Cyrus. I know you're gonna watch.
Okay, say hi. Say hi, Cyrus.
Hi, Cyrus.
Who else? Say hi,
Hi,
Nico.
Nico. Hi, Orion.
Say hi, Orion. Dipin natin ito. Ito yung isang kusina. Eating time. Yummy. Noodles. Eating time. Eating time. Yeah, where's Ian? Brian.
Oh. Hi.
Eating time. Very simple dinner. Fishball. Dito na tayo ng fishball. Yummy. Yan, fishball. Like fishball, Brian? Fishball tayo dyan. Fishball. On. Fishball kayo dyan. Yum. Yun ang sauce namin, oh. Sarap. Yummy. Parang Pilipinas. Fishball kayo dyan. Yummy, yeah? What, Brian? You like it? Spicy?
Yeah.
Habang nagkakape. Cheers, Dada. sa kape. Sarap. Kape. Silipin natin si Iya, si Bral tulog pa. He is playing soccer. Iya, go! Bral, wake up! Let's wake up Bral. Bral, this is where Bral is sleeping. Bral! Silipin natin si Bral. Bral! Say hi to our vlog! Tulog, tulog. Tulog pa siya. Ito yung kapaligiran. Ganda. Go, 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 go. Yay! Messi! Messi, Messi. Bacon, sinausaw sa pinakurat. An egg fried rice with egg. Sarap iya. Sarap. Sa malaking playground dito. Sa malaking playground, ganda dito, daming naglalaro ng cricket, tsaka may soccer field sila. Tapos ito yung ganda ng campground na to kasi may store, makakabili ka ng mga kailangan mo, mga charcoal. You can buy charcoal, firewood. Yan yung store. Ganda ng store. Tapos may playground din sila dito. This is the office, the camp office. Yay! Sarap! Lunch namin. Sarap kumain sa tagulan. Umuulan, sarap kumain, oh. Itlog maalat, pampano. Ayan, sinausaw sa, ano yan? Butchok?
Butchok.
Butchok. Kain tayo.
Butchok ito, koy. Butchok koy.
Mas makulimlim. Sarap kumain ng lamig. Washing dishes. I'm the one washing the dishes. I'm the one washing, not Dada. I love my son.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be. Go.
Yeah, it's on.
Chill lang kami. Sarap ng buhay. Chill. Say hi. Got some more eggs. Mayroon pa nga yung isa doon daw. Oh. Merienda time. Turon. Diba? Lalaro kami ng Pinoy henyo. How do you call this one? Headbands. What is it? It's like Pinoy henyo. Parang Pinoy henyo. Parang kami Pinoy. Okay, yeah.
I can't see.
Alright. Me first. Move me. Am I think?
Yes.
Right. You're looking right.
No. I didn't see it though. I didn't see it though.
Sure?
I didn't see that.
You look
My animal.
right. Huh?
My animal.
No.
Am I animal?
No.
Change the
Am I big?
I didn't see it.
Yung medaya ka pala. Am I big? Am I big?
Hello?
Answer.
Yeah.
maybe.
Yes?
It depends.
Yeah, what you got?
Okay.
Am I?
No. My animal?
Yes.
Food.
No.
Food.
Am I used in the house?
Yes.
So I'm a food then, right? So
Posible right.
am I healthy?
No.
No.
Am I big?
Yeah.
Am I animal?
No.
Pork ribs. Like this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sapporo and tequila. Cheers. Cheers.
So you don't like paying rent?
I don't pay rent.
No, green flag means you like paying rent. So when there's cap means you don't like paying rent.
Good morning, Iya. Ligpit na. Nag-start na po kami magligpit. Mag-check out po kami at 11 o'clock. Happy Labor Day, everyone. We had a great time camping here at Heckscher State Park. So beautiful. Lahat na nagpapark na. Oh. Babalik po kami dito soon. This is gonna be our camping site every year. Hopefully in Jesus' name. Dada! Are you sad na? How about Iya? Yeah, did you have a great time? Yes. Also wild. We had bonding together. Yay. Ready na. Loading. Ang mga gamit. Ayan na, maayos na. Nandiyan na naman. Parang wala nangyari. Ang dami. Ayos. Galing mong magkamala.